baby, what's the move? I'm trying to get her back. I'm trying to ride for her, so I whip a little jack. Can't buy this, I wanna buy that. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy
Deeboe.
Hey, you know I'm back on with another banger, you know what I'm saying? Alright, but look, I'm finna be on Monkey today with my sister, you know what I'm saying? Shout your Instagram out.
Follow me at Deeboe415.
Feel me? It's gonna be on the screen, so y'all follow her, you feel me? Don't be fake. If I'm cute, like the video. If I'm ugly, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? But look, another friend of mine probably gonna be in it too, so you feel me? If y'all see her bucket, you know what I'm saying? Finna go crazy. But look, I'm letting. Damn. The hell is you talking about? But anyways, finna go crazy with this video. I'm gonna let my shit charge up a little bit. Actually, no, it's not even charged no more. So I'm gonna go crazy with this video, and we're gonna gang it. Alright, y'all, we finna go crazy with this video. Oh shit, hold on. Let's see what they talking about, man. Bruh, why they keep skipping, bruh? Wow.
What the fuck?
They ain't fucking with you.
Right, they not fucking with me tonight.
Let me get on there. They fuck with me.
Shut your ass up.
What's good?
What's good with you? Where you from?
Arizona, you?
I'm from San Francisco, California.
Oh shit.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Hey, rate me 1 through 10.
You and 11.
Oh, she fucking with me. Okay, okay. How old is you?
I'm 80.
Bitch.
Not 80.
Not 80.
She sounded 12.
Okay.
Wow, what the fuck? Like, bitch. Need your ass whooped.
Damn, answer already.
Okay.
What's going on?
Weird.
Hello?
What's good with it?
Nothing.
Where you from?
Dallas.
You from Dallas? How old is you?
20.
Okay. Hey, quick question.
She look like you.
Rate me 1 through 10.
A 7.
Hmm?
I mean, a 7.
A 7? Okay. Bet. So what you mix with though?
My dad is Hispanic and my mom is black.
Okay, that's lit. You got some good hair though.
Shut your stupid ass up.
Like,
Oh mamas. Hey, follow me on Instagram though.
but
At DGang, DEEGVNG. Family, I'ma follow you back though.
alright, babe.
Alright, bet. She ain't gonna follow back though.
She was a one.
She was lit though.
I just don't know how.
What's happening?
Baby, you never worry about what I do. I can come home
Back to you,
every night.
doing you right.
Hey.
You that type of woman? Okay.
Hey.
What's next? I'm hella dead. Hey, where you from?
China.
No, you know you fucking lying.
Right, you know you damn lying.
China, put this dick in your mouth.
Hey, stop. That's gay.
Oh, you
Oh,
sick as fuck.
you hella meanie for that one.
So you saying you got a dick?
What?
What?
You got a dick?
I can't hear you.
Oh, shit. Say it again.
Do you have a penis?
First you got a dick, now you deaf?
Oh, you're so funny.
Mm-hmm. Just like your
Hilarious.
hairline.
I'm hella dead.
Ooh, beautiful scalp. Not that
Nah, where you really from though?
Alabama.
Alabama? What's your name?
Burley's.
Oh. Bitch, you just annoying as fuck.
Oh, next.
right, next. Oh, Sarah, why'd you leave?
Not a Sarah.
She was weird as fuck for that.
Oh, Sarah, come
she
on,
said her
come
name
back.
was Bernice.
Right, what was her fucking name? The hell?
Bernice.
The hell? That's hella mangy, bro. They're not fucking with me either.
They
Click.
really not fucking with you.
No, for real.
They like, oop, next.
No, for real, bro. What the fuck? Alright.
Did you see the emoji after
Yeah.
you clicked it? They like,
Right. Like, nigga, what?
Hello.
What's up with it, little nigga?
You said what?
What's up with it, little nigga?
Oh,
Where you from?
Florida?
From Florida. Why you say the fuck? Why you say like that?
girl.
Because you get on my fucking nerves. Like,
Well,
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
take your ass to sleep
Okay,
then.
okay, bitch.
Okay.
Like, bitch.
The fuck? Bitch, that look
You get my
weird.
fucking nerves.
Right, like
You
what?
sound like you 5, bitch. Stop playing with me.
Oh, mama.
It's these little ass kids
My
for
sound
me.
voice deeper than that.
What's up with it?
what's up?
Where you from?
Memphis?
You from Memphis? How old is you?
18.
Okay, that's lit. That's lit. Hey, rate me 1 through 10 real quick.
I'll give you maybe a 10.
Oh, okay. All right, what you mix with though?
Nothing.
You not mixed with nothing?
Black. No.
Just black?
Yeah.
Okay, baby. All right, you want to do me a quick favor though?
Sure.
Follow me on Instagram at DGang, DEEGVNG.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna follow you back.
Okay.
All right, bet.
She ain't following
She
me.
gonna follow back. She not. She don't support DGang. You know what I'm saying?
She got a little hood accent.
She said,
Right. Little
Like
hood
Memphis.
accent. What's up with it? What the fuck?
It's always the weird nigga.
It's always the weird ones.
What's up with the kid?
What's up with it?
Do you like Young X or Fulio, bro?
Who?
Young X or Fulio?
I say Fulio. Fulio go crazy.
That, bro.
He go crazy. How old is you, bro?
Song Fulio made.
I remember that shit. That shit slap. That shit go crazy. Where you from though?
From Jacksonville, bro.
Oh, from Jacksonville. You lit. How old is you?
Shit, it's like, hey, damn.
Huh?
I'm good. Shit.
He said, how old are you? He didn't ask how good you were.
I thought he said, what's good? I said, alright.
Anyways, how old are you?
Why?
Cause your voice deep as shit. You look young as fuck.
Yeah, because I'm the next gen child, bro. Deep ass voice, and I'm turning 12.
I'm so over him. Tansy.
You did not just say he was turning 12. He did not just say he was turning 12, bro.
He's a clown.
Oh my mama, he hella funny for that.
Not him turning 12, my nigga.
Right, hella weird.
Down here.
That's hella funny.
That's crazy.
That ain't something niggas
Oh, she
do
can't
out
hear
here
that.
turning 12.
Whoa.
She
That was
said
that-
your
some-
little stupid ass.
Right,
yeah.
like what? Like, bitch, you need your ass whooped.
That nigga said I'm the next gen.
Oh,
I'm
okay,
turning
Maddie.
12.
See what you looking like. Okay, Maddie. Okay. You look good. Where you from?
I know you don't.
All right, quick question. Rate me 1 through 10.
I was gonna ask you to rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
Nope.
I ain't gonna lie, you a good 8. You a good 8. Some light. You, I say about a good 5. On mamas. On
Why 5?
mamas.
Is it because of her dad?
On my mamas.
Can you tell your other friend?
What's up? You gonna join it?
Hey, girl, what's up?
Hold on, let me call
Hey, sis. Hey.
Mm-hmm. Hi.
She wants to rate her.
You should. Oh,
What'd you say?
I'll give you about like a 2.
Set me up. Just try to set me
I'll give her about like a 1.
a one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, y'all trying to set me up.
She said y'all trying to set me up. Where y'all from? Oh, she left.
But
Where'd you go, Maddie?
Set me up.
What's up with it? The fuck?
These weird ass.
Right, these weird ass motherfuckers.
I know you.
Every
lying.
female finna be asked to rate me 1 through 10, see what they talking about.
Actually, the same thing.
Right. No, the
Yeah.
fact you wasn't.
What's up? Oh, no,
It's
her
always the
leaving.
hood rats.
Right.
Sorry, them little hood rat looking hoes, huh? See what they talking about. I'm hard as fuck.
Nada.
Yeah, they're not fucking with it.
By the way, _ candy baby _ He didn't even know shit.
Oh boy, you a pussy ass nigga, boy.
Whoa!
Why you get so hostile when you get on the phone?
Right, why you so hostile? Why you so hostile, my nigga?
Oh shit, I'm just fucking with you, gang.
I feel it. Where you from, though?
I'm from Seattle, man.
Oh, okay, you lit. You lit. How old is you?
I'm 19.
Okay, you lit. You be doing music?
No, I don't be doing music. I be scamming. You trying to get on?
Hell yeah. On my mama.
Get your scary ass out of
On
here.
my mama. Tap it with my IG at D Gang, bro. DEEGVNG.
Gonna get us caught with the police.
On my mama.
You're
You
not
said what?
listening.
All I use is Snapchat.
Okay, Snapchat then.
Text net.
Snapchat. Hold on, let me see. I can text it to you. Hold on, I'm gonna text it to you.
You see it?
Yeah, I got your ear. Hold on. I got your ear. Oh, I bet. That's good.
Young can't.
Right. Let me see.
That's pretty as fuck.
Right. Let's clown some niggas, see what they doing. Mr. Potato Head ass nigga.
Can we take some shots while we're doing this?
Okay.
For real, go grab the bottles.
What you talking
What's up?
about?
What you doing, Ashley?
Ooh, Ashley.
Hi, Ashley. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing awesome. How was your day?
It was good. Just boring.
I feel where
Hey,
you from
sis,
though.
you want a shot?
Sure.
Where you from? Oh, not with her leaving though.
Not me. I
Yeah,
said
you
her,
back
she
again,
want a
ho.
shot.
Yeah. Oh, she left again with her bitch ass.
She like.
Yeah, you back again, ho. Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, shit tripping.
Right, tripping like a motherfucker.
Oh god.
That's crazy. Okay, baby cat.
I bet you that's booth.
Oh, you smoking that boo shit?
Well, fuck you too, bitch.
Right, what the fuck? Hella weird. Hella weird.
Fuck.
Ow.
What the
Man.
bitch? Bye, ho.
Oh god.
They got the Henny on this shit. Come on, my nigga.
My
The
bad,
bottle
boy.
out the fucking camera.
My bad, boy.
That's tough. That's tough. See what you're doing. Oh, come on, my guy.
No one fuck with this.
They not fucking with me. I might
fucked up.
I might do a couple more
Can't
little
support a
video
nigga?
chats. Couple more video chats and this shit gonna be over with. I mean, it's actually a cool little monkey shit type shit though.
Oh, I might do this for mine.
Just go crazy. Hold on. Wait, let me see. What the fuck? Come on, bro.
Maybe you should just do women
I did, but they put all of them.
with the dudes.
Yeah. What's up with it?
Are your jewelry real?
What?
Is your jewelry real?
The,
Your jury, what? Real?
That bitch sound like she was a specialist.
right.
Okay. Is your jury
Retarded asshole.
asshole.
She's not connecting.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Alright. One more little video chat, you feel me?
One more.
Finna clock out this motherfucker.
Do me a favor and clock out for me, please.
Sub with it. How old is y'all? How old is the other one?
Why do you got so much attitude?
Bitch, y'all is ghetto.
You should have
as
let
fuck.
it. You should have let it play.
Yeah,
I was about to make it
oh
funny.
God.
I was about to make it funny.
Yeah.
I was like, why do you got so much attitude?
Right, that was
Yeah.
just so ghetto though. Like, I'm not finna have that shit in my
Damn.
video.
Get some strange to it.
So,
Like that bitch, are you, my boy?
sorry, bro.
You don't like that bitch, are you, my boy?
Just so you know, I got my fire on me.
What you mean?
What you mean what I mean? You don't got that bitch, are you?
What are you talking about, sir?
You don't got that bitch, are you?
Okay, we don't give a fuck. We don't do that.
That's hella weird. Anyways, we finna clock out this video.
Hey, we was about to make it funny.
Nah. Anyways, y'all. You feel me? Monkey's over with for the night.
That shit was dry as fuck.
We finna turn up, y'all. So I'm about to clock out this video.
Take a
You
shot.
feel me? Like the video. If I'm cute, you feel me? If I'm ugly, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Y'all drop my comments. Please keep commenting. All
And
that
fucking
shit.
follow me, damn it.
Right, for real. Follow my sister. Quit playing. You feel me? Y'all sleeping on me.
Oh, so what? I can't get followed.
You feel me? Shut your dumb ass up. Nah, go ahead. Go ahead. You can.
I already said my shit. So.
All right. Nah, it's good
Yeah,
though.
and
So,
y'all better follow
but-
her too. Follow my sus.
Nope.
It's gonna be right here. Okay, bye.
All right, we gone, gang. I'm really on the road, cause I gotta get this done.